I'm from Khayelitsha, Site BY section. I'm the managing director of Zisille Web Consultants and Joe's Web Designers based in Joburg. So actually what is happening, I started this company as a freelancing company since 2010 when I was a student at Swan University of Technology in Pretoria. So basically what we do, we design websites for small companies, medium companies, and big entities. So me, myself, Vuyisa, I have 3 years experience in that field. So my company, we registered it this year. So we don't have that much of experience. So basically, let me give you what we do. We design websites, we do branding, business cards, letterheads, all those things. So I believe, and my team, we believe that each and every small company, each and every freelancer, entrepreneur, or whoever need to have a website and a branding for their companies. It's not expensive, because if you advertise your services on TV, it's very expensive than having your business card, your flyers on you. Like for instance, tonight, we are meeting here, we'll exchange business cards, and then your company will get known by everyone around here. And as for the website, other people, they say, no, the websites, they cost 40 million for the update. No, it's not. At Zisille Web Consultant, it's very cheap. We don't charge people for update. We charge you 50 rand to make sure that your website is online. That's what we're charging you for. So I believe all of you, after this session tonight, after the hookup dinner, all of you will get my business card. I need all of you to have websites. If you don't want a website, you'll have the business cards, flyers, branding, everything. I want all the entrepreneurs, everyone, small or big, you need a website. If you're not sure, give me a call. I'll give you my numbers at the end of the show. Thank you.